Hi friends, now we are working on the modern theories of international trade, and today's lecture is about the global strategic rivalry theory of international trade. So let us start our class. Global strategic rivalry theory was emerged in the 1980s, and this theory was based on the works of two economists, an Australian economist named Kelvin Lancaster and an American economist named Paul Krugman. Okay, so what does this theory actually means? This theory focuses on MNCs and their efforts to gain competitive advantage against other global firms in their industries. I repeat, this theory focuses on MNCs and their efforts to gain competitive advantage against other global firms in their industries. So here we have to be aware of two concepts. First one MNCs and second one competitive advantage. Okay. MNCs are the companies which are registered and operates in more than one country at a time. So these are the companies which are operates in more than one country, not only at home country but also the countries other than home countries. Okay, and second concept is competitive advantage. Competitive advantage means advantage over the competitors. Competitive advantage is what makes an entity or an organization better than its competitors. Okay. Theory states that when a firm started to encounter or face global competition in their industries, they must develop competitive advantage in order to sustain in the global competition. And this theory describes numerous ways in which multinational enterprises can develop competitive advantage over the competitors. And some of them are: one, owning intellectual property rights, and second one, investing in research and development, and third one, achieving economies of scale or scope, and fourth one, exploiting the experience curves. These are the some of the ways the multinational companies can use to gain competitive advantage over their competitors. So let us explore these points. First one, owning intellectual property right. So what is meant by intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights or IPR are the legal rights given to persons over the creation of their mind, and it includes copyrights, trademark, patents, trade secrets, brand names, etc. For example, the MNCs like Adidas, Microsoft, McDonald's and Apple's, these MNCs are compete for customers worldwide on the basis of their trademark and brand name, right? So owning these intellectual property rights is the one of the best way to gain competitive advantage over the competitors. So second point is investing in research and development. It is the procedure of gaining competitive advantage by investing huge amount on research and development systems. For example, Boeing is the most successful aircraft manufacturing because it does a vast amount of study for its competitors by its research and development department. That is what makes Boeing different from its competitors. Okay, so investing in research and development is the one of the best way to exploit the competitive advantage. And next point is achieving economies of scale or scope. So this point focuses on economies of scale. So what is meant by economies of scale? Economies of scale occurs when a firm can produce or deliver goods or services on a large scale with a fewer cost. So here the production will be on a large scale but with fewer cost. Okay, so economies of scale offers firm another opportunity to obtain a sustainable competitive advantage in international market. Okay. Then last point, exploiting the experience curve. So this point emphasizes the concept of experience curve. Now you may have doubt like what is meant by experience curve? It's simple. The idea behind the experience curve is that the more experience a business has in producing a particular commodity, the lower its cost. It means as the experience in producing a product increases, the cost will automatically decrease. Okay. Sometimes the competitive advantage can be increased by injecting experience. Okay. So these are the some ways multinational companies can develop or exploit a competitive advantage over its competitors. Let's revise the points again. The first point was owning intellectual property rights. Second point, investing in research and development. Third one, achieving economies of scale or scope. And fourth one, exploiting the experience curve. So today we discussed the global strategic rivalry theory of international trade, and this theory focused on MNCs and their efforts to gain competitive advantage by using various ways. Okay, so hope you understood today's lecture. In our next lecture we will discuss competitive advantage theory of international trade. So friends, if this lecture was helpful for you, subscribe the channel. Thank you and all the very best.